let me show you a couple of projects that we have done in-house, for instance, to evaluate grounded responses based on certain documents, right? So here we have some agentic DocuWay project, which will compare responses from two different LLMs for which we have uploaded some PDF files, and then ask them this question, right? And make sure that the response should come from the uploaded document. So you can notice here that for the response in the left side, we have some HTML content. It's no longer text content, as in the case of the LLM evaluation project that I showed earlier. So here we have HTML code. If I click on this one, for instance, I see a pop-up with a section of the document which is cited here, right? And I can navigate to double check that the responses are well grounded and the references are correct, right? And here I have the response from another type of LLM, which just does not provide the actual section from the document which was used, but just tells you the page. You see PDF 16 at page 4, I think row 9. So the annotation works the same. One other thing, what we have done for this project, for instance, we have tried to set up some ground truth data so that we have automatic evaluations. So we have a benchmarking data set, and then in the future, once we change the agents and the models behind the scene, we still have some benchmarking data that we can use to automatically check that the responses have increased in quality instead of decreased. So here you can select, which one of the responses you prefer, whether or not this can be selected or considered as ground truth. And you can see that some of the annotators that consider that the response is not sufficiently good, they have entered a ground truth response, probably by selecting one of the responses which was better and then editing it so that it covers the entire picture and it has higher level of details.